What is electricity? Electricity is the flow of electrical power or charge. Electricity is all around us, from the TV we watch, the computer we play on, and the lights in our bedrooms. Many devices and machines use electricity in order to work. The most common way of using electricity is the wall plugs at home, and the other way is in the form of batteries. Anything that exists in this world is considered matter. All matter is made out of atoms. Atoms are made out of three types of elements: electrons, protons, and neutrons. Electrons are negatively charged. Protons are positively charged. Neutrons are neutral. The electrons orbit around the nucleus, which contains the neutrons and protons. The opposite charges of electrons and protons are attracted to each other, while similar charges repel each other. Electrons are attracted to protons. The positive charges from the protons prevent the electrons from leaving the orbit of the atom. When the electrons are attracted to another atom, they transfer to that atom. The movement of electrons from one atom to another is what we call electricity. There are different types of electricity, such as static electricity. Static electricity occurs when two surfaces are rubbed together in order to create friction. This is why sometimes when we rub our feet on the carpet and touch something suddenly, we feel a spark or a small shock. Static electricity can be found in printers. The electrical charges causes the ink to be attracted to the paper. Another type of electricity is current electricity. Current electricity is when the electrical charges flows through a circuit. A circuit is a wired path where the electrons can flow from a power source to the object in which it needs electricity. There are two main types of circuits: series circuit and parallel circuits. A series circuit always has one path for the current. The series circuit receives the same current, however, the voltage can be different for different resistances. A parallel circuit has many different paths in which the current can flow through. You want to build an electrical circuit someday? Well, let me introduce you to some important electrical components and their functions. This is a breadboard. A breadboard is used to build an experimental model of an electrical circuit. The power and ground rails are presented on both sides of the breadboard and carry the same current throughout. The circuit area is connected through rows which will carry the same current. This is an LED. An LED is a light-emitting diode. An LED has two terminals, positive and negative. The electrical current can only flow through one direction, from the negative to the positive. This is a push button. It has four terminals. This is a potentiometer. A potentiometer is a variable resistor, allowing you to change the amount of resistance the current has to go through in a circuit. A potentiometer allows you to adjust your voltage. You use the knob to increase or decrease the resistance. So how is current electricity different from static electricity? Current electricity does not require the rubbing of objects. Current electricity has a source of power. This source of power is usually in the form of a generator or a battery. Examples of current electricity objects are fans, microwaves, and TVs. Most of our appliances circuits are made out of conductors. Conductors allow electrical current to flow easier. Examples of conductors are copper, gold, and silver. The opposite of conductors are insulators, which are materials that don't allow electrical current to flow through them. Examples of insulators are rubber, glass, and dry wood. Now let's measure electricity. How do you measure electricity? There are three important terms to look out for: voltage, current, and resistance. Voltage is the difference in electrical potential between 2 points which makes electricity move. This electrical potential acts as a force which pushes the electricity in a certain direction. Voltage is measured in volts, or V. Current is the flow of electrons through the wires in your house to allow machines to work. The more electrons that flow, the higher the current is. Current is measured in amperes, or A. Resistance reduces the current flowing through wires in case it harms anyone. Resistance is measured in ohms. Find all three and we have the Ohm's law. Ohm's law states that the voltage is proportional to the current and the resistance. V equals I times R. Ohm's law is one of the most important laws of electricity.